Hi, I'm Scott Higley with the Georgia Department of Transportation. The department will be hosting a total of 7 Public Information Open Houses, or PIOHs, in the coming weeks for the proposed I-285 top-end express lanes and 3 of the newly announced I-285 advanced improvement projects. All are part of Georgia's Major Mobility Investment Program, or MMIP. PIOH attendees will view current concept layouts, learn about the environmental process, speak with project representatives, and submit formal comments. Proposed Georgia DOT projects represented at the PIOH series include the I-285 top-end express lanes from just south of Paces Ferry Road to Henderson Road, plus a section of State Route 400 from south of the Glen Ridge Connector to the North Springs MARTA station. The I-285 westbound auxiliary lane extension, which adds an auxiliary lane to ease entrance and exit to and from I-285 between Roswell Road and Riverside Drive. The I-285 westbound collector distributor lanes, which extends the collector distributor, or CD lanes, built under the transformed 285-400 project currently under construction from Chamblee-Dunwoody Road to Ashford-Dunwoody Road. And the I-285 Peachtree Industrial Boulevard Interchange improvements, which provides CD lanes and reconfigures the interchange ramp to reduce the bottleneck from I-285 to Peachtree Industrial Boulevard northbound. To learn more about the proposed projects and to provide comments, we encourage you to attend one of our 7 public information open houses scheduled between January 21st and January 30th. For more information about the PIOH series and the full schedule, visit Georgia DOT's website. We look forward to you joining us at one of the upcoming PIOHs for the I-285 top-end express lanes and the I-285 advanced improvement projects.